Hi, this is Dr. Don. I want to show you how to set up the Business 231 labs, the workspaces, in your RStudio Desktop after you've set up RStudio Desktop on your computer. So, you navigate to the particular lab in question. This is the lab 3 I'm going to use as an example, and the download files are always in the Rehearse 1. And you can see the link here, link to download the Lab 3 materials. So just click on that, and that will download the folder, and it's a zip folder, a compressed folder, to your download folder directory, if you're on a PC. You need to check to see where it would download if you're on a Mac, because I don't have a Mac anymore. So click on that, and then once it's downloaded, we can look at that folder. I'm going to look here in my downloads, and there is that laboratory zip folder. And then once it's there, you can move it into the directory that you want to use for your labs. Now, I like to use the documents directory, and so I created a folder there for my Business 231 labs. And in here, you can see I moved a copy of that zip folder and then extracted the zip folder into this Business 231 folder to give me the working folder for that lab. Now if I click on that, you'll see we have the files, the data files, the image folder, data folder, image folder, and the worksheets in this special file called the project file, the R project file. And that makes it easy to start up and move this into your RStudio Desktop. Again, presuming you've got RStudio Desktop installed. All you've got to do is just double click on that, and then RStudio Desktop will open. That's going to take a few seconds here, particularly on my machine. So I am just going to pause and wait for it to open. And it looks like it's open now, so I'm going to click on it. And there it is. It's opened up into the RStudio Desktop. Here are our worksheets. There's the image folder and the data folder. So this is the process. It would be the same for each of the labs as you download those zip folders and then move them into the location where you want to set up your main folder. And you can see if we go back to look at the path here for this particular lab, you can see that it's the home directory of my computer, Business 231, and then the lab name. And so that's how to do it. It's really not hard. I hope this helps.